In our syllabus, we have the question on proofs or the question on solving, and then we have the syllabus on simplifying. Now we first take the question which come in the form of prove. It is 2 sine inverse 3 by 5 minus tan inverse 17 by 31 equals to pi by 4. This tan inverse is okay, but this also to be converted into tan inverse. We know the formula of 2 tan inverse x. What is formula of 2 tan inverse x? 2 tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. But this written is sine inverse 3 by 5. We'll convert this sine inverse first into tan inverse. So you make a right angle triangle. What is it? Tan inverse? That is perpendicular upon base. So this is now 2 tan inverse x. Now what is 2 tan inverse x can be written as? Formula is what? Tan inverse 2 into x, that is 3 by 4 over 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square. And this is already tan inverse. After simplifying, it comes out to be tan inverse 24 by 7. Now these two are the tan inverse. One is this tan inverse, other is this tan inverse. This you can work out. What is formula of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y? It is tan inverse x 24 by 7 minus 17 by 31 over 1 plus 24 by 7 into 17 by 31. After taking LCM and simplifying, its answer is coming as tan inverse 1. Now see, in table of 10, 1 is the value of which angle? That is pi by 4. So this is how we can prove this. Now next important question is solve for x. Tan inverse this plus tan inverse 3x equals to pi by 4. We know already the formula of what is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So apply the formula. This is x and that's y. So what is it? Tan inverse 2x plus 3x upon 1 minus that is 6x square. Now we already have studied what this xy should be in the formula. That is your 6x square should be less than 1. So x square should be less than 1 by 6. This is the condition. Now what it becomes? 5x upon 1 minus 6x square. Now just to get the value of x, tan inverse should not be here. So just to eliminate tan inverse को हटाने के लिए हमने tan inverse को right में shift करा. What it becomes? 5x upon 1 minus 6x square equals to 10 pi by 4. How much is the value of 1045? It is 1. Now have a cross multiplication of this. What is it? 1 minus 6x square equals to 5x. उसको standard form में convert करके this is your equation here. 6x square plus 5x minus 1. हम इसे splitting rule term से simplify कर लेंगे. x की दो values आ गई. x is coming as minus 1 and x is coming as 1 by 6. Now whether they are the solution or not कौन decide करेगा? One is we put these two values in the condition जो हमने apply करी थी. कौन सी? ये x y is less than 1, that is 6x square is less than 1. ये जो आंसर आया है. Other thing is you put x and values where? In the original equation. The choice is yours now. I put in this equation x square is less than 1 by 6. So if x is equals to minus 1, put it here. Minus 1 square is less than 1 by 6. 1 is less than 1 by 6. It is wrong. So this is not a solution. Not a solution. Now come for the second one. If x is equals to 1 by 6. Put here in this. What is it? 1 by 6 square is less than 1 by 6. So what is it? 1 by 36 is less than 1 by 6. It is correct. So therefore, which is the solution of ours only? X equal to 1 by 6 is a solution and this minus 1 is not a solution here. So question on the solution are there in your book also. Now next comes is simplifying. Look at this tan inverse, a big term is given here. We want to reduce into a very smaller form. For this we should know the trigonometrical identities, we should know the supposition. So this question can be easily handled with, okay, to simplify this, our target is outside tan inverse is written, so we have to convert a whole expression into a 10. So just like this one. What is sine inverse into sine x? Answer is simple x. So let's start. It is tan inverse. What is formula of sine x? The formula of sine x is 2 sine x by 2, half of the angle, and it is cos x by 2. What is formula of 1 plus cos x? It is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 say 2 got cancelled, 1 of the cos got cancelled. What is it with you now? It is tan inverse 10 x by 2. Tan inverse se tan cancel, answer is x by 2. So we have reduced it into a very smaller form. That is, answer is only x by 2. Now come to this one. Here, anytime you got this expression, cos x plus sin x, cos x minus sin, and you want to convert into 10, the best option is you divide numerator as well as denominator by cos x. If I divide by cos x, what is the answer? 1 plus cos sin over cos 10x, and here also 1 minus 10x. So this is tan inverse 10. What is formula of 1 plus 10x over 1 minus 10x? Formula is 10 pi by 4 plus x. या इंटीज में I have given you tan inverse से 10 cancel. Answer is pi by 4 plus x. It's a very simplified form. Now look at here. Tan inverse x upon under root a square minus x square. If this would have been, अगर ये 1 minus x square होता, हम x को either sin theta put up करते या cos, पर ये तो a इन्वॉल्व है इसमें, तो हमें सपोजिशन पे क्या सपोज करना पड़ेगा? लेट x इक्वल्स टू a either sin theta और cos theta. एक पुटअप करने से आंसर इजी हो रहा है, एक से डिफिकल्ट. वो कैसे, आपको हिट एंड टाइल से देखना पड़ेगा. अगर मैं डालूँ यहाँ पर a sin थीटा, तो a sin ऊपर आएगा और नीचे cos आए, तो पॉसिबल ये 10 होगा. सो x इक्वल्स टू a sin थीटा हमने पुटअप करा. कॉशियस ये रहना, अगर x है तो वेरिएबल बदल देना, ये नहीं कि x इक्वल टू a sin x. दिस इज a generally mistake committed by student. So what is it? Tan inverse a sin theta divided by under root a square minus a square sin square theta. It is tan inverse a sin theta. A square common, what is left outside a? What is left? 1 minus sin square का फार्मूला होता है cos square, अंडर रूट लेके बन गया सिंपल cos theta. a से a cancel. It is tan inverse tan theta sin over cos. Tan inverse से tan cancel. What is left with you? Only theta. So answer is theta. But this is not correct. Reason being, क्वेश्चन किस में था? x की टर्म में. आंसर आ रहा है थीटा की टर्म में. हमें थीटा की वैल्यू प्लेस करनी है. कहाँ से? यहाँ से. आप x की वैल्यू तभी फाइंड कर सकते हो जब आप पहले साइन थीटा की वैल्यू निकालो. सो व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ साइन थीटा फ्रॉम हियर? साइन थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट फ्रॉम हियर? x अपॉन a. Sin theta is x upon a. Now you can find what is theta here. Theta equal to sin inverse x upon a. So theta's value now you place up, it is going to be sin inverse x upon a. That's it. Now look at this particular question. Cot inverse under root 1 plus x square minus x. Either you can put x equals to, because of under root 1 plus x square, tan theta or cot theta. So we trying with the cot theta now. Let's put cot inverse 1 plus cot square theta minus cot theta. Cot inverse, what is 1 plus cot square? Cosec square. So अंडर रूट लेने के बाद ये हो गया cosec theta minus cot theta. Our target is to get cot here so that cot and cot inverse got cancelled. Now convert them into sine and cos. Cot inverse, what is cosec? 1 over sine theta. What is cot? Cos theta over sine theta. So it is cot inverse. After taking LCM, what it becomes? Sine theta comes here, it is 1 minus cos theta. So it is cot inverse. What is formula of 1 minus cos theta? It is 2 sine square, half of the angle. Sine theta is already 2 sine theta by 2, cos theta by 2. 2 से 2 got cancelled, sine से 1 sine cancel. So what is the answer? Cot inverse, tan theta by 2. Now the problem is, cot inverse can cancel cot, but this is tan. So we have to convert this tan into cot. So it is cot inverse cot 90 minus theta. This you already have studied. Anytime tan can be written as cot 90 minus theta. Cot inverse cancel this out. So what is the answer? Pi by 2 minus half into theta's value we have to place. From where we have to get the value of theta? We have suppose x equals to cot theta. So what is theta here? Shift this cot here. Theta equal to cos inverse x. So this is going to be cot inverse x here. Now we look at this particular formula, tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This is formula of which? It is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Now looking at this above formula, this could be formula of what? I take x as this, so this is tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus x into y. 1 I can always write here. So this directly resembles with this formula above 1. x की जगह हमारे पास कौन है? 1 और y की जगह x है. So what I can write this as tan inverse x. Who's x? 1 plus tan inverse y. y की प्लेस पे कौन है? x. So tan inverse 1 क्या होता है? It is called pi by 4 और plus tan inverse plus your tan inverse x. That's it. Now this is one of the question in your NCERT also. It is tan inverse somewhat. इस फॉर्मूले को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए I require 1 here. So what I did, b divide by b cos x on both the side so that it becomes 1. So this is tan inverse a cos x over b cos x minus b sin x over b cos x. हमने इसे b cos x से डिवाइड किया, so it is 1 प्लस नीचे हो जाएगा a upon b, that is tan x. So this is tan inverse a over b minus b got cancelled, this is tan x over 1 plus a upon b into tan x. This is now formula of tan inverse x minus y over 1 plus x into y. That is how this particular formula, tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy, and answer is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So what I can write to this? It is tan inverse, who's my x? A upon b minus tan inverse, that is tan x. So tan inverse will cancel out this. So answer is tan inverse a upon b minus simple x here. Now these are your NCERT questions, and I'll just discuss the hint of them with what logic we are going to put. Look at this. This is LHS, this is RHS. LHS is very small. Somewhat we can think of substitution here. x की हम क्या वैल्यू प्लेस करें जिससे आंसर साइन आए? तो हमने एक फार्मूला पढ़ा हुआ है साइन 3 थीटा का. 3 साइन theta minus 4 sine q theta. So I should put x equals to sine theta here. जैसे आप x को sin theta डालोगे, it becomes sin 3 theta. Sin inverse से sin cancel. क्या आंसर आएगा इसका? 3 theta. और थीटा की वैल्यू आप फाइंड कर सकते हो. What is value of theta from here? This is going to be 3 sin inverse x. That's it. Look at this now. LHS is already too small. RHS से सोचना शुरू करें. ये एक्सप्रेशन किससे मिलता जुलता है? Formula of cos 3 theta. That is 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta. So we should place x equals to cos theta here. For this, under root 1 plus x square is coming. Now there are two choices. x को हम या तो 10 place करें और या cot place करें. एक से कैलकुलेशन इजी होगी, एक से मे बी a bit difficult one. This is 10 1 by 2 sin inverse. Now look at this. This is the formula of x expression. This too is the formula of some expression, if you remember. It is 10 1 by 2. This was the formula of 2 tan inverse x in term of sin inverse. So this is 2 tan inverse x. This is formula of 2 tan inverse y. I took 2 common here. So what it becomes? It is 10 half 2 common. It is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. 2 got cancelled. So what is it? 10. Now these two results can be combined. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse, what they are? Tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus x by 10 cancel this. Tan inverse answer is a very simple one. X plus y over 1 minus x by. Now this is or rather you will think of cancelling these two. Tan inverse cancel this 10 and answer is your 3 pi by 4, which is wrong because we already have studied what is the range of tan inverse. It is already, I have tell that is, it is going to be, what is it? It should belongs to what? Pi minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But this is not coming between this. So by coordinate system I have to change it. It is tan inverse. What this can be written as 10. What is 3 pi by 4? 4 se divide karo. What it become? Pi minus pi by 4. What is tan 180 minus theta? In second quadrant 10 is negative. So it is what? Minus 10 pi by 4. Now which formula is it now? It is tan inverse minus x. What is formula of tan inverse minus x? It is minus tan inverse x. So minus tan inverse x. Who is your x? X is this. That is 10 pi by 4. So it's going to be minus. Tan inverse 10 cancel, answer is minus pi by 4. This definitely belongs to what? This belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So therefore, this is not the answer. We cannot cancel this tan inverse with the 10 because this would not belongs to the particular range of this. Look at the next one. Should I cancel cos inverse with the cos? Because what is the range of cos inverse? It is 0 to pi, but this is greater than that. So I have to change. What is it? Cos inverse. How this can be written as cos pi plus pi by 6. So this become cos inverse cos. What is cos 180 plus theta? In the third quadrant cos is negative, so minus cos pi by 6. Now what is formula of cos inverse minus x? Cos inverse minus x is pi minus cos inverse x. Who's your x? This entire cos pi by 6. So answer is pi minus pi by 6. Answer, if you solve, it is 5 pi by 6 here. So this is the answer for it. This way. Now look at this question. It is 10 sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse this. Actually, for cancelling this particular 10, I should have a single tan inverse here. So what do? You convert this sine inverse into tan inverse by right angle triangle. What is it? Tan inverse perpendicular 3 by 4. Cot inverse is the reciprocal of tan inverse. So how this can be written as tan inverse 2 by 3. It is 10. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is what? Tan inverse 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 over 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. So this is how what we'll have 10, and this is going to be a tan inverse expression here, and the two will cancel each other. So this is how we can just simplify.